Today we are going to show you how to make the Japanese cheesecake. First of all, you get a cake pan of height 3 inches and diameter 8 inches. Hot water, then 1 cup cream cheese, and you mix it, and you put the cup of the cream cheese cup, you put it inside the hot water to let it melt, and then you get 6 eggs or 6 eggs yolks, 1/3 cup of sugar, and you put it also a little bit to make it mix very well. Then you put a 1/4 cup of butter at the room temperature, 1/4 cup of salt, and then a big spoon of lemon juice, and then 2 big spoons of grated lemon zest. Then you put a half cup of flour over them, and then 2.5 cup of cornstarch, and you mix them well together. You put the 6 eggs whites, and you mix them well together, and you put 1/3 cup sugar. Mix them well, and then put them with the eggs. You mix the two mixtures together until they melt very well. You mix them very well until they are like water. You put them in the pan, and then you put them in the hot water. Important notes: after baking, turn off the oven and leave cake for 30 minutes in the closed oven. Then remove water bath and open the door of the oven slightly for 30 minutes for cake to cool, or it's gonna get worse. Cut it and enjoy the Japanese cheesecake. Yeah. Goodbye everyone, enjoy your meal.